Okay, Form 4 Chemistry, Chapter 6, Book 1. Okay, video number 2. So now the new title called Basicity. Page number 2, your notes. What's mean by Basicity? Copy first. Quite important, 很重要的。Okay, basicity of an acid is a number of hydrogen ions which can be produced by one molecule of the acid. Okay, so one molecule of acid, when they dissociate in the water, 当它们在水中解散的时候 they can produce how many hydrogen ions? So this is the meaning of basicity. Now understand? Don't worry lah. Okay, so basicity of the acid is a number of hydrogen ions which can be produced by the molecule of the acid. So for acid, actually we can separate them into 3 groups. One of them is called monoprotic acids. Another one, diprotic, triprotic. So what is the difference, or what's the difference between monoprotic, diprotic, and triprotic? 什么叫 monoprotic 呢？ Mono mean one, di mean 2, tri mean 3. So monoprotic acid means the acid molecule, when they dissociate in the water, 当它们在水中解散 they're going to produce one hydrogen ion only 啦，它将会产生一粒的 hydrogen ion only. So one molecule of acid dissociate in the water to produce one hydrogen only. So for this type of acid, we call them as what? Monoprotic acid. 这种 acid 呢就叫 monoprotic. Or any example 呢？Nitric acid, when you add it into the water, 你把它丢进水里面 Okay, so when the nitric acid add into the water, they're going to dissociate into the water to produce one hydrogen ion. 它只产生一个 hydrogen ion only. So this is what we call monoprotic acid. Okay, 一粒分子在水中解散 to produce one hydrogen ion. Or one more molecule, when dissociate in the water, going to produce one more of hydrogen ion. So 这种就叫 monoprotic acid. 就代表着它只会产生一个 hydrogen ion only. What's mean by diprotic? 什么叫 diprotic acids? Okay, sulfuric acid, for example, when the sulfuric acid is added into the water, 被丢进水里面 it's going to dissociate into the water. But when it dissociate into the water, it's going to produce 2 hydrogen ion. Okay, 2粒的 hydrogen ion and produce 1 sulfate ion. But the sulfate we don't care 啦，那个不要管它，没有用的。Okay, so diprotic, 什么叫 diprotic? One acid molecule, when dissociate into the water, it's going to produce 2 hydrogen ion. 它就会产生2粒的 hydrogen 离子。Okay, what's mean by triprotic? You know 啦 one acid molecule, when dissociate into the water, produce 3 hydrogen ion, 产生3粒的 hydrogen 离子啦。那 something like this, 3 hydrogen ion plus 1 phosphate. Okay, molecule 啦 ion 啦。So 3 hydrogen ion plus 1 phosphate ion. Okay, so this is what we call triprotic acid, and the acid here we call it as phosphoric acid. 这个 acid 叫 phosphoric acid. So this is the meaning of basicity. Is it important? Very important, but not for today 啦。今天不重要。Today I just go through and look like totally not important. But in the future, it will be very, very important. It will be always in your exam. Okay, so temporarily you just know, and temporarily look like they are not important, but it will be important in other chapter. 在别的 chapter 的时候，它突然间比这个 chapter 更重要。Okay, so this is what we call basicity. 明白了没有 ？Yeah， 谢谢你。Okay, that's all.